Welcome to the Learning English channel. Business English conversation. Meeting.
Hello. In this video, we learn the most common English phrases, sentences, and vocabulary before starting the meeting. Before starting the meeting. In this topic, we have 4 different situations. 1. Introducing yourself. 2. Introducing others. 3. Short talks. 4. Still waiting for someone. 1. Introducing yourself. Hello, pleased to meet you. I am Lisa from the London office. Hello, I am George. Pleased to meet you. Hi everyone. My name is Peter, and I am the new manager. Hello, Steve. I am Andre. How do you do? Vocabulary. Important vocabulary when introducing yourself. Introducing yourself. Tell someone your name the first time that you and he or she meet. Pleased, happy or satisfied. Manager. The person who is responsible for managing a company, store, or department of a company. 2. Introducing others. Julia, do you know Adam? Before we begin, can I introduce Tim to you all? Let me introduce my colleague, Andre Watson. For those of you who don't already know, Tim is from our advertising agency. Does everyone know Peter? No? Vocabulary. Important vocabulary when introducing others. Introduce, to tell someone another person's name the first time that they meet. Agency, a business that provides a service to other people or organizations. Advertising, the activity of making products or services known about and persuading people to buy them. Colleague, a person that you work with. 3. Short talks. Did you see the football on Saturday? Oh, it wasn't very good. Did you find a parking space all right? Yes, no problem at all. How are you settling into your new job? Well, it's a lot of work, but I'm really enjoying it. Have you been to Hong Kong before? No. This is my first trip. How long have you been here? A week. Where are you staying? At the Royal Garden Hotel. Vocabulary. Important vocabulary in short talks. Awful, very bad, unpleasant, or of low quality. Parking space, a place where you can leave a car for a period of time. Till, up to or until. Settle, to arrange something. Before, in the past. Trip, a journey to a location where you stay for a short period of time. Stay, to live or be in a place for a short time as a visitor. Problem, something that causes difficulty or that is hard to deal with. 4. Still waiting for someone. We are still waiting for Tim. Would you please have a seat and wait for a moment? I'm sorry to have kept you waiting. Vocabulary. Important vocabulary when waiting for someone. Wait, to allow time to go by, especially without doing anything, until someone comes, something happens or can happen. Seat, a place to sit. Moment, a very short period of time.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.